Good evening friends, this is Pradeep from Trading Clan. Happy to see you all in this video. In this video, we are going to have a very detailed analysis on our predictions, what we made on Saturday for Nifty and Bank Nifty, and what is the reality happened today. I am going to explain in detail in this video. Before going to have a detailed look, please do subscribe and click the bell icon for further notification. Before going to have a look on today's day, just we will open our prediction what we was done it on Saturday. For that, you please open the Trading Clan channel in the browser. Here we can see the videos which I posted on Saturday. You can have a look in the videos. I have kept in English and Tamil. This video I was posted in Saturday morning itself. You can have a detailed look. Might be you people are already watched this video. Just I will open this video, so we can have a very short look on this video. So Friday itself I was entered the Bank Nifty, and I'm expecting the Bank Nifty will go in upside and hit the target of 35,300 within 3 days. So here I mentioned as two conditions has to satisfy. One is the immediate resistance line has to break, and the script should not go below this stop loss level. That means 34,600 it should not break. That was my condition. So it was today the condition was satisfied and it's moved in upside only. So what we predicted is good. So our script is moved as per our prediction side only, and it hit the target of 35,300. Sorry, 35,200. It hit the target. It hit almost, but we will see. So this was the conclusion on the yesterday's prediction video. 34,600 is the entry and 35,300 is the target. For Bank Nifty, 15,700 entry, 1,500 is the target. So I was focused only on Bank Nifty today. So we will have a detailed look what was happened in the Bank Nifty today. Here each and every points I am going to explain in detail why I am holding this trade and what was the confidence level raised for the holding. So I will let me open Bank Nifty in trading window. So here in our trading view window we are opening Bank Nifty with 45 minutes time frame chart. Normally I will prefer 45 minutes time frame. This was the Friday prediction, and this was the resistance line. It should get break first. So look at the first candle. It broke the resistance line and its gap up. You can see the gap up. The script was jumped to around 300 points to 290 points jumped, and it's moved in upside. So that was the first candle. So just we will have a very closer look on that candle again. So here we have to notice that look at the bottom side of the candle. We are having one. I am going to encircle this area. Yeah, look at this area. We are having one big tail has formed. So this is very good sign for our script will go in upside. Already the script broken is incline line, and we can see the long tail. So this is a very it will create very confident level to hold our trade. So that was after seeing this candle, I was I'm getting much more confident to hold my trade, and I'm keeping the trade will move in upside to hit the target like that I was expected. But I was expected after seeing the power candle, I was expected continuous power candle will form and it will hit the target by within today itself, like that I was thought, but it was not happened. After seeing, you can have a look on the upcoming candles. Look at this next 2 hours or 2.5 hours time. So that time the market was not moved in any direction. It's you can see I have mentioned in the rectangle box. You can see this script is not moved anywhere, so it is getting fully consolidated. So this is also very good sign, because it's broke its level and gap up, and we can see a whole consolidation. It means the script is building its pressure to boom upside. So that indicates this consolidation. So I was much confident on again on this after seeing this consolidation. So I'm keep holding my position. Whenever you see the consolidation after breakout, so the script will move upside. There is a high probability to move upside. So this is the second point for holding our trade. First point is breakout and long tail also formed, that is called buying pressure has formed in the market. And the second point is we can see very good consolidation. So after seeing the consolidation, I am having much confidence on the trade. So after that, you can see here again I have encircled one more power candle. So this is also again this is expected only. After seeing the consolidation, I am expecting like this candle. So market is going pretty good in our direction. So I was hold these positions, but here unfortunately after 1:30 I was having some other work, so I could not concentrate on my trade. So I was kept stop loss in these levels. Before that, it was my premium was 550 rupees. I was bought 415 rupees in Friday, but it's went to 550 rupees. But afterwards I am not possible to concentrate on my trade, and I made the stop loss level. I set the stop loss level and I went for some other work. Unfortunately, the stop loss was hit. I kept 40 points below from the current premium, but even though in this red candle my stop loss was hit, I was missed the opportunity. So here I'm going to mark my stop loss was hit on this red candle. So I missed the very good opportunity, but anyway fine, no problem. Again I was entered the new trade because my target is there. So again around 3 o'clock I was entered again the new trade, that we will see in turn tomorrow prediction. After that, the script again went upside, so it's closed around 35,200. Our target is 35,350, but within one day itself it's moved up to 35,200. It is very good trade. This is our execution window. I entered the Bank Nifty at 419 in Friday itself, and today I closed my trade around 516 itself, but the trade went to high of 594 and it's closed around 586. So I would have get a maximum point of 175 points, but I missed the trade. I booked only around 100 points. I booked. This is a missing opportunity for me, but anyway fine, no problem. Always market will be giving opportunity to us. We have to grab it. But each and every trade always we have to keep our stop loss. That is very essential to protect our capital. I hope this video will be very useful to all, and it is very easy to understand by all people. Hope you can also have getting some good idea for taking the positions. You please do your analysis and you can start your trade. I will make the prediction video for Tuesday, maybe most probably before 8 o'clock by tomorrow. Until then, I will leave today. Thanks for watching the video. If the video is useful, please do like, share and subscribe. Please don't forget to click the bell icon for further notification. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Grow with us.